All right, let's see what we have here. Q1 is a 3638. And so then we jump to Q7 because that's a 3569. Then Q4 can't be seen because it's on the wrong direction. So we're going to have to bend Q4 so that we can see it and potentially focus on it. Looks like it's a 3638, and that's all the closer we're going to get. Yeah, 3638 Q4 right there. Okay. And so now for Q3, see, that's too close and there's too much shadow. Let's jump to SCR1. That's an MCR 3000-1. Okay, we already have that one added, so I'm going to bend that a little bit, which is no fun. I guess we have to bend this back too. Q3, what are you? So we can't focus that close, so there we go. So that's a 3569. Yeah, 3569. Okay. And then that's a 3569, so those are the same type. And that's Q5. That's Q3. All right, so we keep on going. So then we jump to Q16 because these are not in order. And of course we still can't see what that is because that heat sink's in the way. So I guess we have to come at it from this side. Alright, so that's a 3569. That's Q16. Okay. And there's Q17, which we also can't see because of... Oh, I guess we got to see it from here. Alright, so Q17 is a 3569. We also get to see the value of that capacitor, 0.22. So that's C11. We just looked at Q17. Q15, have we gotten that one yet? Probably not. Q15 is a 3638. Right? That's not 363B. No, that's 3638. Okay. That's Q15. And then let's see here. And Q20 is clearly a 3569. Next is Q12, which is a Motorola 652. What is that? A 4918? I don't know what that is, but it has an emitter and a collector. So Motorola 652 2N 4918. So we got to figure out what that is. And then there's Q19. We got to figure out what that is. Here's what we know. I'm probably going to have to take that one off. Emitter, collector. So Q19 is the wild card, I suppose. Now these are all obvious. They're 2N3055s. That should be viewable in any picture. Okay, now we have the 3569. That's Q10. Q9 is a 3569. Upside down. And what about Q11? Oh wait, that's Q14. Now wait a minute. That's Q14, that's Q11. I want to see what Q11 is. That is a 3638. Q14 is a 3569. Okay, so it looks like there's really only two types here. Q8. Where's Q8? There's Q8. $3638. Okay. All right, these are just diodes. E7, E8, those are connectors. The diodes are CRs, right? So we've got CR12, CR13, CR15, CR14. Those are just diodes. You want to know what type? 1N54 O something. We don't really care. Any diode will do. Fuse, of course, which is F24A, CR8, CR9. These CRs, those are diodes. 1N7720, it looks like. Oh, that's a date code, probably. 1N4001, very standard diode. Again, it wouldn't really matter. CR11, that's another diode. Of course, you can see the direction of it. Resistor 20, you can see the colors, so you got to figure that out. Okay. I think that's everything, right? CRs. CR1, 2, 3, and 4. Those four diodes. Instead of it being D, it's a CR. So we're going to have to make an adjustment for the naming convention there. Same with those diodes. Notice they're not D for diode, they're CRs. Which I guess stands for silicone rectifier, as opposed to diode. We'll go figure. Okay. Well, who knows? All right, did we get Q15? I think we got Q15. All right, so I think we got them all. SCR2, I guess that's the only other thing that's not going to be obvious. SCR2 is different. All right, so it's C45EJ. So we have to figure out what SCR2 is. C45EJ. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's that, so that we could reverse engineer this board. All right, let's make it happen. And thank you.